you doing, man?
What's going on with you, man?
Oh,
nice to meet you.
nice to meet you too, finally.
Yeah, I know. Oh my God, this is just beautiful. This is just beautiful right here, man.
Granddaddy.
Okay, that's what's up. All right, so guys, what's up, man? I told you on the way here. I was coming down to Lorain, Ohio to check out my guy Mike Palmer, man, and his cars that he wrapped, man. He does a lot more, so we're down here to get his side of the story and everything that he does. This is a guy who wrapped Allison's car, the custom Mustang, the 2018 custom Mustang that you guys see me driving. It was a fun ass ride, man, but the wrap stood out and what made it the big difference right there, man. So without further ado, Mike, man, how you doing, man?
Good, man. How are you doing?
It's nice to finally meet you.
Absolutely.
See what you're doing, everything like that, man. So if you can please, man, just let us know, man, just how you got into cars, man, because it looks like you've been doing this for a while, man, because that looks amazing. So
I've been wrenching on cars for about 20 years on the books.
Okay,
You know,
okay.
I did my first engine at the age of 12. I've been a gearhead my entire life. Father at the time, you know, biggest thing he helped me do was stab it. So once we got it all stabbed in, the rest was up to me. I've been into cars my whole life. And a few years ago, I found my passion really is to personalize them, to get them how a person's going to fall in love with their car all over again. From the first day they bought it to just a complete new love for their car.
So what was the first one you did?
This one right here.
Ooh, look at this. And this one I seen on the, you got a website or something like that? I seen it on?
It's a
matter of fact, throw that on there. Yeah. What's that?
AutoGraph Customs on Facebook. It's just AutoGraph Customs and Repair. I got just about every car that I've ever put on there since I started that account.
Okay. Is that the only way they can reach you? Anything else?
They can also reach me by phone. Usually text message is the best. I do have a day job.
Right.
440-222-2393.
There you go, man. Y'all got the number right there, man. It's gonna be in the description below. Tell me about this one first. This is nice.
2011. I bought it 4 years ago, and the first thing I did was the Punisher on the hood, which that vinyl right there is about 4 years old. Little faded. It'll get redone.
Still look nice. Still look nice.
What I started with. Everything else from there has flourished. LED halos. I even added some extra color for the grill at night. It really makes it shine.
Yeah, you can see that right there. And got the red outline in it too. I can
make that any color I want. The wheels are actually vinyl wrapped as well.
Look at that. This is all. Look at that.
2011 SE V6. I couldn't afford the 2 extra cylinders.
That's all right, man. Hey, one day, man, as long as you keep working at this, man, one day you definitely will. This is wrap, man. This is sick. I definitely like this. Everything
else has been throughout the course of the years. I'm like, you know what? I need something here.
Are you a veteran as well? I seen a little.
Yes.
Okay, well, I definitely gotta shake your hand too.
Thank
From
you.
one veteran to another. So you just change your stick right there. Say that again.
A little bit of the interior. On this one here, I did some painting for the interior. So give it a little splash of color on the inside.
Look at that. Ooh, look at that. I like that. That's nice right there. The old style Challenger Chargers set up in here, man. Nothing different or anything like that stuff. He added, like you said, some colors and all that to it. But, you know, everybody know how the Charger and Challenger looks. Check those Cheeto cuts. So we're going to move over here, man. So this is the one that we're going to do a little bit of racing in later, too. I can't wait to do that. Tell me about this, man.
This was a rare find for me. This is a 2008 Dodge Charger. All-wheel drive with a Hemi. She got all 8 cylinders.
That's rare. You don't find that, guys.
She's quick, but she's safe. This is my winter beater, but I can't leave anything alone. I had to give it some personality too. My girl came up with the name Predator.
Ah, I like that. I like that. Oh, you can see that. That's, you know what? I couldn't make out this vinyl for the longest. I seen the Dodge, you know, logo on there, but I just could not see. But now that you mention that, man, that is sick. Guys, that is sick. I know you can see that right there. I'm gonna go up high so you can see it. Do you do any racing? Cause you got some big tires on here, boy. Look at them tires.
These wheels actually came with the car.
What?
And they were black. I'm gonna be changing them out at some point. You know,
right.
money's money.
Right, exactly.
But I want to get them wider.
Get your old classic Mopar right there. You can't beat that Mopar, baby. The way you did it, man, it just got it nice. I like the color scheme that you got going on here. We got another car. Whose car is that over there? Is this the wifey's?
This is the wifey's car.
Wifey's car. Let's check this out, man.
This is almost a tribute to her and her daughter. She's going through nursing school right now, trying to get that degree. Next year she's done. But it's also a tribute to her daughter that we lost.
Oh man, sorry to hear about that.
Her name was Ashlyn Rose Weber.
Ashlyn Rose.
And we lost her 2 years ago, just after she turned 16.
Sorry to hear about that.
All the roses are dedicated to her.
There you go.
And of course, my girl's favorite color is purple.
This is a Malibu right here, and it just makes it stand out. Nice and customized.
So this is more the subtle side of what I can do. You know, keep it on the low.
Absolutely.
But still personalized.
Absolutely. How long, Mike, have you been wrapping cars, man? You know, a lot of people, you know, go off the talent about how many cars you can wrap, man. So you've been doing it for a while. How many cars would you say?
I've honestly only been really getting into it in the past 4 years. My cars are my practice cars. That's just what I'm teaching myself on. So I find out what works, what doesn't.
What better way to learn, right? What better way to learn?
And then that is beautiful right there. Tribute pieces, and almost everyone in our family.
All right, man, so there you go. There you guys have it, man. We getting ready to hop in our cars here real quick, man. He's gonna, like I said, take his all-wheel drive SRT Charger. Ooh, look at that right there, man. Look at that. Matter of fact, I gotta get the pipes real quick, man. You wanna jump in there? Let me hit some pipes for me real quick. Ooh, look at this, man. Look at this. Go. Boy. There you go, man. He's gonna beat me. He's definitely gonna beat me. All right, man. Yep. And I'm gonna go. Let me go get the thing. I'm gonna put it on your car for you. So, man, if you want to check out this the race, man, go ahead and click right there on that video right there. And if you haven't already done so, man, click on this little circle right there and go ahead and hit that button and subscribe for me, man. Don't forget about that. I like this video. I hope you like this video as well, man. But go ahead, subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for watching another video here on Viral Speed. This your boy Holland here. I appreciate it very much, man. Check out my channel.